So we are discussing the working principle of a binary coded GA. Now in the last class, we were discussing how does one reproduction scheme, that is the proportionate selection or the rule of n selection works. So we have seen the working principle of this proportionate selection where the probability of getting selected in a mating pool for a particular solution is proportional to its fitness. So the more the value of fitness, more will be the probability value for getting selected. Now, we have seen that this particular method of reproduction scheme has got one problem, that is nothing but the premature convergence. Now, to ensure the smooth working of a genetic algorithm, a proper balance between population diversity and selection pressure, that is nothing but the exploration and exploitation has to be maintained. Now, how to maintain a proper balance between exploration and exploitation, that I'm going to discuss in details. Now, the working principle I've already discussed for the ruler wheel selection. Now, my question is, how can you implement in the computer program? So how to write down a computer program related to the ruler wheel selection or the proportionate selection? Now the computer programming can be made in different ways. Out of all the ways, the most simple one, the most popular one is the method which I'm going to tell you. Now let me take a very simple example of that population size is equal to 4. So capital N is equals to 4 say. Now the population of solution is such, the fitness values are such, the probability value for the first solution is a 0.4. The probability value for the second solution is a 0.1. Probability value for the third solution is a 0.3. And the probability value for the fourth solution is a 0.2. The sum of all the probability values will become equal to 1.0. Now, here, so once we know these particular probability values, we can sort them in the ascending order of their probability values. So if you do the sorting of these particular GA string according to the ascending order of the probability values, the lowest probability is having the second string is having the lowest probability, followed by the fourth string that is 0.2, followed by the third string that is 0.3, followed by the first string that is 0.4. So if you do this ordering, ascending ordering of the fitness values or the probability values, we'll be getting the order as follows: the second string, then the fourth string, then the third string. After that, you'll be getting the first string. Now, the string which is having the lowest probability, that will be assigned rank 1. That means your second string is going to get rank 1, fourth string is going to get rank 2, third string is going to get third rank, and the first string is going to get fourth rank. So I have got all the ranking, like the first rank, second rank, third rank, and fourth rank GA string. Now, if you add the rank values, so I will be getting 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is equals to 10. Now we do the proportionate selection according to the ranking, but not according to their fitness value. Now, if I do the ranking, if I do the proportionate selection according to the ranking, then the string which is having the lowest fitness will be getting rank 1. Then I will be getting the rank 2 solution as the fourth one, rank 3 solution as the third one, and the rank 4 solution as the first one. And if you do the proportionate selection according to the ranking, then will be getting some probability value, new probability value according to the rank, and according to the rank, the second string will have the probability value that is nothing but 0.1. The fourth string will be having the probability value according to rank, that is nothing but 0.2. Then the third string will have the probability value of according to the rank, that is 0.3, and the first string will have the probability value 0.4. Now, if I do the proportionate selection according to the ranking, so the second string will be getting 10% in the mating pool. Fourth string will be getting 20% in the mating pool. Third string will be getting 30% copy in the mating pool. And the first string will be getting the 40% copy in the mating pool. Okay. Now, if this is the thing, then very easily, actually, we can implement in the form of the ranking selection. Now, the question was how to determine the computer program related to the proportionate selection or the ruler-wheel selection. The proportionate selection or the ruler-wheel selection, if you want to write down the program, so what you'll have to do is, you'll have to take the help of random number generator. Okay, let me repeat. According to the proportionate selection, I'm not discussing now the ranking. Ranking, I'll be discussing separately after some time. Okay, a few minutes ago, I just mix it, but take it separately. Now, according to the ruler-wheel selection, that is the proportionate selection according to the fitness. Okay, I got the probability values and I just ordered them in the ascending order. Okay, now I take the help of one random number generator. The random number generator is going to generate a number lying between 0 and 1. Okay, so if it is lying a number, if it is generating a number lying between 0.0 to 0.1, I'll be selecting F2 according to the ruler-wheel selection. And if the random number generator is generating a number which is more than 0.1 up to 0.3, I'm going to select the fourth string. If it is generating a number lying between 0.3 and 0.6, I'm going to select your F3. And if it is generating a number 0.6 to 1.0, I'm going to select your F1. Let me repeat because there was some confusion. Okay, let me repeat whatever I discussed. So I'm discussing how to write down the computer program related to the ruler-wheel selection or the proportionate selection. And let me assume that the population size is kept equal to 4. And the fitness information of the solutions are such, their probability values are like this. For the first solution, the probability value is 0.4. Second solution, the probability value is 0.1. Third solution, the probability is 0.3. And the fourth solution, the probability is 0.2. Now I sort them according to the ascending values of their probability. If I sort them, so I'll be getting second string with the lowest probability, that is 0.1, followed by the fourth string with the probability 0.2, followed by the third string having probability 0.3, followed by the first string having probability 0.4. So this is the ascending order of the strings according to their probability values. Now to write down the program, I'm going to take the help of one random number generator. Now this random number generator is going to generate the number lying between 0 and 1. If it is lying a number lying between 0.0 to 0.1, I'm going to select F2, that is the second string in the mating pool. If it is generating a number more than 0.1 up to 0.3, I'm going to select the fourth string in the mating pool. If it is generating a number more than 0.3 up to 0.6, I'm going to select the third string in the mating pool. If it is generating a number more than 0.6 up to 1.0, okay, I'm going to select the first string in the mating pool. I think I'm clear to all of you. Now, a few minutes ago, I just mixed it to the ranking selection, but after that, I made the correction and I hope it is clear to all of you. This is one of the methods like how to write down the computer program for the ruler wheel selection or the proportionate selection. Okay, so I think you got the idea how to write down the computer program for this ruler wheel selection or the proportionate selection. Now I'm going to discuss another method of reproduction which is very popular, that is called the ranking selection. Okay, a few minutes ago I just mixed it with this, but now I'm going to discuss separately. So this particular ranking selection. Now in ranking selection, actually the probability of being selected is proportional to the rank, not proportional to the fitness. This is the difference between the ruler wheel selection and this particular the ranking selection. Now in the last class and at the beginning of today's class, I mentioned that the ruler wheel selection has got one problem, that is the problem of premature convergence. Now let me take this particular simple example. See, this is another example. Supposing that I have got in the initial population of solutions, 4 solutions only, and their fitness values are F1, F2, F3, and F4. The values of the fitness is such, F1 is 80% of the total fitness, F2 is 10% of the total fitness, F3 is 7% of the total fitness, and F4 is 3% of the total fitness. Now, based on the fitness, according to the ruler wheel selection, if I calculate the probability values, for the first string, the probability of getting selected is 0.8. For the second string, it is 0.1. Third string, 0.07. Fourth string, it is 0.03. And if you sum the probability values, you'll be getting 1.0. But if I do this proportionate selection or the ruler wheel based selection, there is a problem of premature convergence, because for the first string, the probability of being selected is 0.8. So in the mating pool, how many copies will be there of this particular, the first string? Probabilistically, it is 4 multiplied by 0.8. That is nothing but 3.2. That means in the mating pool, out of 4 solutions, so 3 solutions will be occupied by this particular first string. So the diversification will be less. There will be more chance of premature convergence. Now to avoid this particular premature convergence, we take the help of ranking selection. How to do it? It is very simple. So what I do is, I know the fitness information. So according to this particular fitness, yes.
Sir, anyhow, for the roulette one, we are generating the random number. So the fitness values which it had, like they are becoming insignificant.
Now, the random numbers we are generating to write down the program, that random number is related to the probability value, not related to the fitness. Are you getting my point? Probability is calculated using the fitness information, and fitness information you'll have to calculate using the expression of objective function, which I've already discussed. Okay, supposing that for this particular population, you know the fitness information using the expression of the objective function. Okay, now using that particular fitness information and using the ruler wheel selection, I can find out the probability value. Now to implement in the computer program, I'll have to depend on this probability value and that random number, as I discussed a few minutes ago. Are you getting my point? Now, in the ranking selection, so we try to avoid the premature convergence of this particular the ruler wheel selection. So I'm going to discuss the principle of ranking selection. Okay. Now what we do is, we do the ranking according to the fitness information. Okay, and please listen to me. The string which is having the lowest fitness will be assigned rank 1. That means your F4 will be assigned rank 1, F3 will be assigned rank 2, F2 will be assigned rank 3, and F1 will be assigned rank 4. And after that, you add the rank values. That is first rank, second rank, third rank, and fourth rank. That means the worst string is assigned the first rank, and the base string is assigned the highest rank, that is the fourth rank. Now, if you add the ranks, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, you'll be getting 10. Now, we try to implement the proportionate selection according to the rank, but not according to the fitness. Now, if you assign or if you determine the probability value according to the rank, the word string, that is your F4, is assigned rank 1. So 1 will be divided by 10 multiplied by 100. So I'll be getting 10%. Okay. Similarly, for F3, I'll be getting 2 divided by 10 multiplied by 100, that is 20%. Similarly, for F2, we'll be getting 3, that is 3 is the rank, 3 divided by the sum of the ranks, that is 10, multiplied by 100, that is your 30%. Similarly, for F1, you'll be getting 40%. Now, you calculate the probability according to the rank. If I calculate the probability according to the rank, but not according to the fitness, then what will happen? F1 will be having probability of 0.4 according to the rank. F2 will have the probability of 0.3 according to the rank, but not according to fitness. F3 will have probability 0.2 according to the rank. F4 will have rank of probability 0.1 according to the rank. Now you see the difference. According to the fitness, that is the ruler wheel selection, here probability for F1, the first thing was 0.8, and now according to the ranking selection, the probability of being selected for the first thing is 0.4. So it is changed from 0.8 to 0.4. Then what will happen? That means in the mating pool. So if I use ranking selection to determine the mating pool, what is the probability that the first thing will be selected? It is 0.4, but not 0.8. That means 0.4 multiplied by 4, that is 1.6. So probabilistically, either 1 or 2 strings will be copied from the initial population, okay, in the mating pool according to the ranking selection. That means out of 4, either 1 or 2 will be copied from the first string, and I have got the remaining either 3 or 2 places where the other strings are going to enter. So there will be some diversification. Previously, which was 3.2, now it is 1.4. So I am going to give opportunity for other string to participate so that there will be diversifications. There will be diversifications of the properties iteration wise, and GA will be able to find out the globally optimal solution through a large number of iterations. So I hope you have understood how to overcome the premature convergence of this ruler wheel selection by using the principle of ranking selection. I hope I am clear about the working principle of this particular, the ranking selection. Now, ranking selection is more popular compared to the oldest method, that is your ruler wheel selection. And of course, ranking selection method is found to be advantageous. Now, whatever I discuss, the same thing I have written it here on the PPT file. You please have a look. Okay, you read it out. So the same thing I have just written it here, whatever I discussed. Now here I have put a note rank-based proportionate selection, that is the ranking selection, is expected to perform better than the fitness-based proportionate selection. Now, to avoid your confusion, let me repeat the things which I've discussed in today's class. Okay. So at the beginning, I discussed how to implement the roulette wheel selection or the proportionate selection, that is the oldest method of reproduction scheme in the computer program. After that, we discussed how to overcome the premature convergence problem of the roulette wheel selection using the principle of your ranking selection. I hope you have understood. So in the today's class, till now I have discussed only these two things. I hope I'm clear to all of you. Okay. Now I'm just going to concentrate on the third method, which is very popular. So this is a very popular method of reproduction scheme, and that is known as the tournament selection. In fact, nowadays, we generally use tournament selection for reproduction. Now let us try to explain the working principle of this particular, the tournament selection. Now what it is, supposing that the population size for the GA is capital N, say N is equals to say 100. For simplicity, let me consider capital N, not small n. Capital N is equal to 100 population size. Now what you do is, to implement the tournament selection, first thing you'll have to do is you'll have to select the tournament size denoted by small n. Now remember, this small n has to be very less compared to the capital N, that is the population size. Let me take one example. If the population size capital N is equal to 100, I'll have to take the tournament size, that is small n, is equal to either 3 or 4, not more than 4. There is a reason. The reason is very simple. If I take a large tournament size, what will happen? That I'm going to discuss. But before that, let me tell you the working principle. Okay, then only you'll be able to understand. Now the working principle is as follows. We pick n strings, small n strings, from the population of size capital N at random and select the best one in terms of fitness. Supposing that I'm solving one maximization problem, and the population size of the GA, that is capital N, equals to 100. Small n I've assigned is equal to 3. So what I'll do is, I'll pick any 3 solutions out of 100 at random using the random number generator and compare the fitness values. As it is a maximization problem, out of the 3 fitness values, I'll try to find out the string having the maximum fitness. The string which is having the maximum fitness out of these 3, I'll be directly copying it in the mating pool. So out of 3, the best one in terms of fitness I've copied in the mating pool. And after I have copied, so all 3 solutions, because small n is equal to 3, we'll have to return back to the initial population. Okay, this is the way actually I'll have to play the tournament once.
Sir, you are muted.
So let me repeat then. So the tournament size small n is equal to 3 and the population size capital N equals to say 100. So at a time I'll have to pick small n, that is equals to 3 solutions from 100 at random using the random number generator, and I'll have to compare their fitness values. Now the string which is having the maximum fitness, as this is a maximization problem, will be copied in the mating pool. And once I've copied all 3 solutions, I'll have to return to the initial population. So once again, the population size will be 100. So this is the way I'll have to play tournament once to select only one solution in the mating pool. But in the mating pool, once again, there should be 100 solutions. So I'll have to play the tournament 100 times. And each time I'm going to select only one solution. So you see, this method is very simple and it is computationally very fast, okay, compared to your the ruler wheel selection and even compared to your ranking selection. Now you see, now if I take a very large value for small n, what will happen? Say small n equals to 50 and population size is 100. So if small n is kept equal to 50, so I'm going to select 50 solutions at random using the random number generator out of 100. Find out the best, put it in the mating pool, and all 50 you return back to the population. And if this small n, that is the tournament size, is kept to a large value like 50, once again, there could be a multiple copies of one solution. And in the mating pool, majority part of this mating pool that will be occupied by only one solution. And once again, there will be a premature convergence. So GA will not work properly. And you know the effect of premature convergence. Okay, like people will think that it is the best solution, this is the optimal solution. But truly speaking, that is not the optimal solution because the investigation has not done properly. That means the so-called good solution has been declared as the globally best. But truly speaking, that particular solution is not the globally best. That is the problem of premature convergence. So I hope you have understood that population, that tournament size, you'll have to keep to a small value. And this small n has to be very less compared to your capital N. Otherwise, the GA is not going to work properly. So you'll have to know the grammar of this particular genetic algorithm. Then only you'll be able to use it properly. Otherwise, there is every possibility you may not get a very good solution. Okay. So all such things I've discussed. So let me go to the next. Now, computationally, it is faster than the ruler wheel selection and this particular, the ranking selection. And as I told, it is very simple and this method is the most popular one. And nowadays, whenever we use genetic algorithm, we use only the tournament selection as the reproduction scheme. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now, once you've got that particular, the mating pool, the mating pool is probabilistically consisting of all good solutions. And once that particular reproduction scheme is implemented, now I'm in a position to go the next operator, that is your crossover operator. And in crossover operator, please.
Yeah, in this tournament selection, we take n out of this population, isn't it? At n gambles out of the population.
Yes.
N
yes.
strings.
Yes.
How many times do we repeat in this particular tournament selection? I mean, if we take 3 out of the 100 total
Now,
strings,
each time,
how many times do we do this?
We'll have to do 100 times. See,
Okay,
3 we are
100
taking from 100. We'll be selecting the best, put it in the mating pool. All 3 you return back to the population, initial population. Next, second time, once again you play the tournament using random number generator. Take 3, find out the best, put it in the mating pool, return all 3 to the initial population. And you'll have to repeat this process for 100 times. That is,
Sir, Sir, in this way, there can be a case where, say, even after 100 selections, only say 60 from the actual pool had actually participated in the selection.
But probabilistically, those 60 solutions will be good solutions. Might not be the best, will be the good solution. Okay. So in the mating pool, if you see the average fitness, if it is a maximization problem, our aim is to keep more average fitness for the population compared to the average fitness of the initial population. Then only your purpose is solved.
Sir, if I'm repeating, if I'm putting all these three back to my pool, then there is a chance of repeating any of the.
There is a chance, but that probability is very less because see, every time out of 100, we are selecting 3 solutions at random using the random number generator. Are you getting my point? Chance is there. This is a probabilistic approach. You know, if it is a probabilistic approach, it is not deterministic, it is probabilistic. Chance is there. I cannot say that there is no chance. Okay,
Right, right.
but even if it is there, you need not worry because GA will try to improve through a large number of iterations. It is a huge search and gradually it will try to reach that globally optimal solution. Okay, I'll be taking some more example. I'll just simply, to discuss the grammar of GA, the different aspects of GA, I'll simply cut and show you the facts. You just wait a little bit. Okay. So although there is a chance that the same solutions will be repeated, I am not saying the chance is not there. Chance is there. It is a probabilistic method. But GA will try to overcome that through the different types of operator, which I have not yet discussed. I'll be discussing. Okay. And you'll see that gradually it will try to reach the globally optimal solution. Okay. So let me proceed. Now I'm going to discuss the fourth step, like how to implement the crossover operator. Now, the purpose of crossover operator is to exchange the properties between 2 parents and consequently 2 children solutions will be created. So in crossover operator, there will be exchange of properties. So what we do? So if the population size of the mating pool is capital N, we try to make N divided by 2 mating pairs because each mating pair will consist of 2 solutions, 2 parents. There will be 2 parents, and these 2 parents are going to generate 2 children solutions. Now, in crossover, there will be exchange of properties. So if the parents are good, the children solutions are expected to be good or even better. But once again, this is probabilistic method. So there is no guarantee that the children solution will become always better compared to the parent solution. But chance is there, probability is there that if the parents are good, the children solutions will be either good or even better. Are you getting my point? So let us see how to implement. Now, the first thing we'll have to do, as I told, you'll have to make N divided by 2 mating pairs, and those mating pairs are selected at random using the random number generator. So from the N population size, I've got N mating pairs. Okay. So there is some problem with the PPT. Let me stop. Let me put the PPT clearly. Then once again, I'm going to restart.